Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Ring Alarm Pro with LTE backup, full guide step by step clearly. Start by unpacking the Ring Alarm Pro box. Locate the main Ring Alarm Pro base station and the power adapter. Place the base station in a central location within your home. Ensure it is near a power outlet for easy access. Connect the power adapter to the base station. Plug the other end into the wall outlet. Press the power button on the base station to turn it on. Wait for a few moments until the light on the front turns solid blue. Next, download the Ring app on your smartphone. Open the app and log in to your existing account or create a new one. Tap on the Set up a device option in the app. Select Alarm from the list of devices. Choose Ring Alarm Pro from the available options. Follow the on-screen instructions to scan the QR code on your base station. Once scanned, the app will prompt you to connect your base station to your Wi-Fi network. Select your Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter the Wi-Fi password when prompted and tap Connect. Wait for the app to confirm that your base station is connected. After the connection is established, start setting up your devices. Choose which sensors you want to add to your system. Ring offers various options like door/window sensors and motion detectors. For each device, follow the instructions in the app to activate it. Peel off the adhesive backing on each sensor to attach it. Place door/window sensors on the corresponding frames. Position motion detectors in areas where you want to monitor movement. Once all devices are set, review the configuration in the app. You can customize settings, such as alert preferences and schedules. Now, it's time to set up LTE backup for added security. Go back to the main menu in the Ring app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.